Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your keyboard language in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're enjoying the videos. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is go to the Windows icon right here and press right click on your mouse, not left click, right click. Then go to the settings. Then it will be home right here. You will have to go to time and language. Then go to the language and region part. This is where you have the Windows display language. I have it right here on English. And right here are the preferred languages, and these are the keyword languages that you have. So right now I have English and Arabic. Let's say I want to add a third one. I'll press add a language. For example, I want to add German. So I'll have German right here. I'll press the language. Here we have some options that I can choose. I will uncheck these. I don't really need them. I just need the language pack. And I'll press install and wait for it to install. While it installs, I think it's already shown right here, and I already can switch it to German if I want. There's also a keyboard hotkey that you can press to switch between your languages, which is Windows icon and spacebar. Right now I'm controlling it using my keyboard. And if we go to the search bar right here and search for keyboard, I think it's already showing some German letters, which means the language is already ready to use, even though it still installs the basic typing and the handwriting and stuff like that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.